आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If the coefficient of the three consecutive terms in the expansion, that is 1 plus x power n, be 76, 95 and 76, find n. So first of all, if we have given the expansion that is 1 plus x power n, then it will be nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus nc3x cube plus up to ncn x power n. So here if we assume that is r and r plus 1 and r plus 2 are three consecutive terms in the given expansion, then if we according to the expansion, the coefficient of these terms will be nc r minus 1 comma nc r and nc r plus 1. So according to the question we have given, that is three consecutive terms, that is ncr minus 1 is we have 76 and ncr it is we have 95 and the next one is ncr plus 1 it is we have given that is 76. So here we have given in the question that is ncr minus 1 is equal to ncr plus 1. So if we have given that is ncr is equal to ncr plus 1, then we can also write it as r plus 1 equal to n. So here we will apply the same concept, then we can also write it as r minus 1 plus r plus 1 is equal to n. So here 1 will be cancelled out with 1, then 2r equal to n, then here r equal to n by 2. So then further we have if we find the ratio that is ncr upon ncr minus 1, so we have given the ncr value is 95 upon ncr minus 1, that is 76. Then further we simplify it, then we get the ncr. If we have given ncr, then we can also write it as n factorial upon r factorial into bracket n minus r factorial. So by using this we can also write it as ncr, that is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, and in place of ncr minus 1 we can also write it as n factorial upon r factorial, that is r minus 1 factorial into n minus r, that is n minus, in place of r we have r minus 1 whole factorial, that is equal to 95 upon 76. Then further we simplify it, then we get n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, then further it will be n factorial upon r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 whole factorial. So here n factorial will be cancelled out with n factorial, and this is equal to 95 upon 76. Then we can also write it as 1 upon, in r factorial we can also write it as r into r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial upon 1 upon r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. So here r minus 1 factorial cancel out with r minus 1 factorial, and it is equal to 95 upon 76. Then further we will simplify and get, then it will be 1 upon r into n minus r factorial, then it will be 1 upon n minus r plus 1, and we can also write it as n minus r factorial. This is equal to 95 upon 76. So n minus r factorial will be also cancel out with n minus r factorial, and the remaining is n minus r plus 1 upon r and equal to 95 upon 76. So in here we have already calculated, that is r equal to n by 2. So in place of r we will put n by 2, that is n minus n by 2 plus 1 upon n by 2, that is equal to 95 upon 76. Then further we simplify, then we will get 2 take as LCM, then it will be 2n minus n plus 2 and upon it will be n by 2, that is equal to 95 upon 76. So 2 will be cancelled out with 2, and here the remaining is 2n minus n, that is n plus 2 upon n, that is equal to 95 upon 76. And then further it will be, when we will do the cross multiplication, then it will be 76 in bracket n plus 2 is equal to 95n. Then it will be 76n plus 152 is equal to 95n. Then further we will simplify this, then it will be 95n minus 76n is equal to 152. Then it will be 19n is equal to 152. So here we will find the value of the n, that is 152 divided by 19, then it will be n equal to 8. So we have to ask in the question the value of the n. So the value of the n is equal to 8. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।